Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to increase or decrease video speed. Okay, let's get started. First step is open your any project. Okay, second step is click on that, right click on video layer. Okay, and this layer open. Okay, and click on that speed decoration. Okay, and so this pop-up open it. Okay, so first of all see that how to increase video speed. Okay, say suppose that I choose 500 speed. Okay, and then okay and play. You're so fast. Okay, is clear. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so next step is how to decrease video speed. Okay, and then right click and speed decretion and decrease, choose 50. Okay, I choose 50 and then okay and then show. You see this video is slowly moving. Okay, thank you for watching and make sure like, subscribe and share. Okay.